Hey everyone, Linus here. Remember when laptops were just for checking emails on the go? Those days are long gone. Today's laptops are powerhouses, blurring the lines between work and play. We're talking high-performance gaming, demanding content creation, and everything in between. The demand for versatility is higher than ever, and manufacturers are stepping up their game. Enter the Acer Predator Triton Neo 16, a laptop that's ready to redefine what's possible. The Acer Predator Triton Neo 16 isn't just another laptop, it's a statement. It's a fusion of sleek design and raw power, designed for those who demand the best. This isn't a machine that compromises, it's built to handle the most demanding tasks, whether you're rendering complex three-dimensional models or battling it out in the latest AAA games. But what truly sets it apart is its versatility. It effortlessly transitions from a creative powerhouse to an immersive gaming rig, making it the ultimate companion for professionals, students, and eSports enthusiasts alike. At the heart of the Acer Predator Triton Neo 16 lies the revolutionary Intel-registered Core Trademark Ultra processor. This isn't your average CPU. We're talking next-level performance that pushes the boundaries of what's possible on a laptop. These processors are engineered for speed and efficiency, allowing you to breeze through demanding workloads without breaking a sweat. One of the key innovations behind the Intel-registered Core Trademark Ultra processors is their hybrid architecture. Think of it like having two brains in one. You've got performance cores, P-cores, for handling the heavy lifting like gaming and video editing, and efficient cores, E-cores, for everyday tasks like browsing and emails. This dynamic duo works in perfect harmony, optimizing performance and battery life like never before. The result? A laptop that can keep up with your most demanding tasks while sipping power like a champ. Section 5. Content Creation Redefined, Empowering the Digital Artists. For all you digital artists, video editors, and content creators, the Acer Predator Triton Neo 16 is a dream come true. This laptop is designed to meet the high demands of modern creative professionals, offering a blend of power, precision, and portability. The Intel-registered Core Trademark Ultra processor, combined with the laptop's stunning display and powerful graphics, provides a seamless creative experience. Imagine working on your most complex projects without any lag or delay. The Triton Neo 16 ensures that your workflow remains uninterrupted, allowing you to focus entirely on your creativity. Render times are slashed, multitasking is a breeze, and your imagination is the only limit. With the Triton Neo 16, you can run multiple applications simultaneously, without any performance hiccups. This means you can edit videos, design graphics, and manage your social media all at once, boosting your productivity to new heights. Whether you're editing 4K videos, designing intricate 3D models, or working on high-resolution images, the Triton Neo 16 handles it all with ease. Its advanced cooling system ensures that the laptop remains cool even during intensive tasks, so you can work for hours without any worries. Or creating stunning visual effects, the Triton Neo 16 empowers you to bring your vision to life with unmatched speed and precision. The laptop's high-resolution display offers vibrant colors and sharp details, making it perfect for visual effects artists who need to see every detail clearly. The Triton Neo 16 is not just a tool, it's a partner in your creative journey. It supports you in every step, from brainstorming ideas to finalizing your masterpiece. With its robust performance and sleek design, it inspires confidence and creativity, helping you achieve your artistic goals effortlessly. Section 6. Level up your game, a gamer's paradise, calling all gamers. The Acer Predator Triton Neo 16 is your secret weapon to dominate the competition. With its high refresh rate display, powerful graphics, and advanced cooling system, this laptop delivers an immersive gaming experience like no other. Experience buttery smooth frame rates, stunning visuals, and lag-free gameplay, even in the most demanding titles. The Triton Neo 16 is built for victory, giving you the edge you need to conquer any virtual battlefield. Section 7. The student's secret weapon, productivity and entertainment in one. Students, listen up. Whether you're buried in textbooks or taking a break, this is the tool you need. The Acer Predator Triton Neo 16 is the ultimate all-in-one laptop for your academic journey. It's not just a laptop, it's your study buddy, your entertainment hub, and your productivity powerhouse. Need to crank out a research paper? No problem. With its powerful performance, you can breeze through your assignments and projects with ease. The Intel-registered Trademark Core Trademark Ultra processor makes light work of even the most demanding tasks. Multitasking is a breeze, whether you're running multiple applications or handling large data sets. Want to unwind with a movie marathon after a long day of studying? The Triton Neo 16 is perfect for that too. The Triton Neo 16's stunning display and immersive audio have got you covered. Enjoy your favorite films and shows in a high definition with crystal clear sound. It's the perfect blend of productivity and entertainment, all packed into one sleek and stylish device. Transition seamlessly from work to play without missing a beat. The Acer Predator Triton Neo 16 is not just a laptop, it's your all-in-one solution for a balanced student life. Section 8. eSports domination, precision and power at your fingertips. For eSports professionals, every millisecond counts. The Acer Predator Triton Neo 16 is engineered for competitive gaming, providing the precision, speed, and responsiveness you need to dominate the competition. Its high refresh rate display eliminates motion blur, while its responsive keyboard with anti-ghosting technology ensures every keystroke registers flawlessly. And with its advanced cooling system, you can game for hours on end without worrying about overheating. The Triton Neo 16 is your ultimate weapon in the quest for eSports glory. Section 9. Real-world impact beyond the specs. Now I know what you're thinking, Linus, this all sounds great, but what does it mean for me? How do these impressive numbers and technical jargon translate into something that actually benefits my day-to-day life? Simply put, the Acer Predator Triton Neo 16 with Intel Core Ultra processors isn't just about impressive specs on paper, it's about real-world impact. It's about how these specs come together to create a seamless, powerful experience that enhances everything you do. It's about empowering you to do more, achieve more, and create more than ever before. Whether you're a digital artist bringing your visions to life, a programmer developing the next big app, or a content creator pushing the boundaries of what's possible, this laptop is designed to keep up with your ambitions. Imagine editing videos in a fraction of the time, gaming with unmatched fluidity, or running complex simulations without a hitch. The Triton Neo 16 is built to handle it all with ease. Picture yourself breezing through your workload with ease, multitasking like a pro, and never having to worry about lag or slowdowns. For students, it means completing assignments efficiently and having more time for other activities. That's the power of the Triton Neo 16. It's not just a laptop, it's a tool that adapts to your needs, enhances your productivity, and elevates your overall experience. So, when you think about the specs, remember that they are more than just numbers. They are the key to unlocking your potential. Section 10. The future of computing, where power meets versatility. The Acer Predator Triton Neo 16 is a glimpse into the future of computing. It's a future where power and versatility go hand in hand, where you're no longer limited by your device's capabilities. It's a future where you can seamlessly transition from work to play, from demanding tasks to casual entertainment, without missing a beat. And with Intel Core Ultra processors leading the charge, this future is looking brighter than ever. Section 11. Acer Predator Triton Neo 16, your ultimate companion. The Acer Predator Triton Neo 16 is more than just a laptop. It's your ultimate companion for work, play, and everything in between. It's a testament to Acer's commitment to innovation, pushing the boundaries of what's possible in a portable device. Whether you're a content creator, gamer, student, or eSports pro, the Triton Neo 16 empowers you to unleash your full potential. So what are you waiting for? Embrace the future of computing with the Acer Predator Triton Neo 16.